today it's me, Addison.
And me, Jackson.
And today we are going to be doing a homemade lava lamp.
So we actually got this idea from an amazing YouTube creator, Sillykidst.v. So make sure you check out their videos for more awesome creations and videos.
Yep. Before we get started, click that sub button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up.
So let's get started!
Alright, so the things we're going to need for this video is some type of glass container,
Ooh.
vegetable oil, 2 cups of water, any type of glitter or anything that you want to put it in there, food coloring obviously so we can have it looking awesome.
And there's blue and green.
They've chosen the colors blue and green. And then you're also going to need some Alka-Seltzers to activate it. So, Addison and Jackson.
I picked green because it really reminds me of a movie I used to watch.
Cool. All right. So first you're going to take your vegetable oil and we want to pour it about halfway to 3/4 up. So go ahead and start pouring it. Jackson, you'll take your stick out first.
That's it. Stick that out.
Like here? Here?
No, keep pouring it. You should be able to pour it all in.
So
Just pour the whole little bottle in. Should bring it to almost halfway. Perfect, Addison. Jackson?
perfect.
Good job.
Okay. Now what?
Next, you're going to take your food coloring and you're going to use it in the water and you're going to mix it together to change your colors.
How many drops are we going to have?
Whatever you think.
I'm going to start with 1 drop and then I'll keep them building up because you know it never goes.
2, 3. Okay.
Because you can't take away food color. So let me try 1. This is kind of like already a zombie color. I'm going for the certain zombie color. It's mostly a low.
Look at mine.
So this takes 1 extra, like.
Very pretty color, Jackson.
Look at mine.
Very pretty color,
And this
Addison.
this is a zombie color. This is a vegetable. This is empty. This is a zombie color.
Next, you want to take your glitter and you're going to pour it with the water and mix it up.
I'm gonna add one of the chunky glitters. So, how many glitters can we add?
Whatever you think is going to look best. Jackson's going for some blue glitter in his blue. Addison's got some green in her green.
I'm going for more of a zombie type. So I think that's good enough with this type because this is a very strong, thick kind of like a leprechaun color.
Here, we have some big ones. How about we put some of the big ones in?
I'm gonna add a little bit of this one to just block off some darkness.
Oh yeah, Jackson. That looks really cool.
This is the zombie. This is called Zombieland. This is called Zombieland.
I'm going to start mixing it in so I can get this all spread up.
Oh! Can you hear that? I'm gonna add this one.
That's okay. Because mine might make a blast. Oh.
Hey, yours kind of looks like one of my ingredients stuff that I did.
I probably want to
Whoa, they look like little pearls.
I'm probably going to add some more of this because I don't know how much I need. Okay,
Whoa, mine looks like a mermaid tail. Mine looks like Ariel's tail. I'm only adding, I'm trying to get the right amount.
Add some like blue little decorations in that.
I'm gonna take this cool mermaid tail one and step it up a notch. Not only am I using this chunky glitter, but I'm also using the galaxy sparkle glitter.
I might want
Just
to
to make a little mixture.
Sorry for that noise.
This is mine. It looks like a really weird Mine looks really cool, actually. Jackson, look at mine.
Ooh, look at
If you look really close into it, it looks like you're blurring out because it's so shiny.
Looks like this
At this
was.
point, I think Jackson has more glitter than water.
Whoa.
Wait, it makes green.
Mine is, hey, sorry, but I'm the glitter volcano. All different types of
All right,
glitter.
get it mixed together.
No, I want more.
Look. Look at that. This so.
I am mermaid.
We didn't make our own lava lamp.
I am
Whoa.
mermaid. My name is my middle name is Mermaid.
Mermaid woman. How about
As in mermaid.
No, how about Acid Ariel?
No. Whoa! Look at the sky.
Sometimes you watch Ariel.
Yeah, it's really sad.
All right,
Okay,
guys.
look at this.
So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take that water and we're going to pour it gently into the oil. Jackson, do you need help? Let's help with Jackson. And then if Addison needs help. So let's take a look at what that's going to happen.
It is higher.
Look at guys.
Guys, look in there.
Look at all that leftover glitter. Let's take a look at Addison's. All right, Addie,
No.
that's
Mine looks like a lava lamp.
It already looks super cool. So we're going to let it settle for just a second. We're going to let it settle.
I'm gonna play with this extra glitter.
All right, we're going to let it settle for just a minute, guys.
Yep.
All right, guys, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take those Alka-Seltzers, just one, and we're going to drop it in. If it's broke, it's fine. Give it a second.
Whoa! Look at that! It looks like a big old volcano. Whoa! Look at Jackson's.
Can I have my second one?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead and drop your second one
I'm
in.
gonna drop in the other pieces.
That's so weird. That was not.
Guys, look at this! Whoa! Mine looks like a trampoline park. What is
I wish
trampoline?
I would put this in. I wish I was able to put this in my room.
Look at this. Look at the top. It's all fizzling.
I wish I would put this on near my Xbox.
Guys, be quiet. Listen to it fizzling. Whoa. Guys, it looks like a big wave pool in the water, but it can't reach the top. But I could put my whole hand here and it wouldn't reach. See? Oh, the glitter reach inside.
Guys, that's so weird. That's not moving.
It looks like Aquaman.
Guys, I'm gonna steal this.
Guys. Whoa! Guys, look at mine.
Look at
Mine is
that. Look at that glitter. That looks awesome.
I'm gonna stick my finger and keep it down there.
Does it feel cool?
Yeah, I can feel it fizzling. Hey, guess what? It looks like Aquaman's trying to escape. Whoa! This is what happens whenever Ariel, she gets her legs or her tail goes in here.
It feels so inside my hand. Whoa, look at it inside my body. More. I think I totally won.
Guys, look at this mermaid.
You can put your whole entire hand in.
I did.
Look at that, guys.
So much glitter.
Look at that.
Guys, this is what happens after it evaporates. This is what it looks like
My hand
after it
evaporates.
evaporates. This is what those Minda things look like whenever they evaporate into it. Okay, let's drop it back in.
Hey, I need this new water. I need to wipe this off.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna take another bath.
I don't know. I just need to wash my hand.
And just to show what it would look like without the glitter, we've got our same container full of oil. And we're going to put some blue water in this time.
Whoa, that looks cool. It's to be same as mine.
No, I think Mommy's is gonna be the best.
Yeah. How about Daddy's?
So this is what it looks like without the glitter. Now, let's take the same Alka-Seltzer and plop it in. And let's see how it looks. There we go. So that was what a traditional lava lamp would look like. And Addie and Jackson picked theirs with just a little pizzazz. Let's see.
Look at mine, guys.
Look at mine.
So here are we have our super glittery
Lava
lava lamps.
That's
Our
mine.
more traditional lava lamps.
And another glitter.
And another super glittery one.
I think Mommy's is the best. Middle one wins.
Okay, so let's put it side by side and see what it looks like. Ooh, look at all that glitter.
Look, they can stole it.
Look at Addison's.
All the glitter's flying everywhere.
So cool on
Look at
top.
mine.
There's so much glitter.
There's so many bubbles. I think mine is going the fastest. Mine is going the fastest. Mommy's is Jackson's is the second fastest. Mommy's is the third.
I think mine is done.
And mine is starting to slow down.
Yeah.
Mine's still going.
And that's
Mine is going.
all of them.
Mine is going crazy.
That's right. Look, there it is.
We really like all of them, but
You can still know.
you guys comment down below who do you think is the best.
Right there.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below which one was your favorite. I really like all of them.
I think my favorite was my mom's.
So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Bye.